Good Sunday. I know, I'm gonna have a little glass of wine. I'm not gonna drink too much because I had a lot of wine yesterday. Just wanted to say a quick hello. This week didn't go quite as planned video-wise. Lettuce. It's been a weird couple of days. The day that I was working on the sardine video, that's the day the shooting happened at the school, and I stopped working, if you call it work, and then the following day I finished the sardine video. But boy, that has colored the last couple of days. Cheers. This glass used to belong to my father. I have two of them. They're Waterford. I don't use them very often. Cheers, Dad. So I thought I would just talk a little bit, just a little bit. I came across a really cool skillet from a company called Wilton. It's labeled Wilton, Columbia, 1976. It comes very close to a Julia Child's Status omelet pan. And I bought it. It looked brand new. It arrived dented. So it's been about a week now trying to arrange a return because the seller has to go through the post office, and apparently the post office is going to contact me through the mail. I don't know. That didn't work out very well. I want to do a silly video with a vintage lunchbox from the 1950s, like it's a 1956 or 58 lunchbox. I wish I could buy one of those really expensive ones. This is a floral pattern one. Boy, they want a lot of money for vintage lunchboxes. What I really want, I saw this lunchbox, I think it's called Blue Corsage. There's this vintage picture of a mother and daughter, and the mother's pouring milk. And on the counter is this gorgeous lunchbox. It looks brand new. I mean, the picture's got to be from the 50s. Beautiful, like a turquoise blue with some white detailing, and this beautiful thermos. And the mother's pouring this really cute daughter a cup of milk. And I would love to find that. There are some very old pink versions that are all kind of beat up, and I've seen a couple of beat up blue thermoses for this corsage. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to find that. So the lunchbox that I did buy won't be shipped tomorrow because it's a holiday. I'll put a link in the description to that picture. It's a Getty's Images, and they want like hundreds of dollars to be able to use it. I can't show it to you, but I'll put the link in the description. It's a beautiful picture. This gorgeous lunchbox. Why would I want it? You know, you see something and it looks really nice, and then you want to have it. And I want to do another video about the Lucille Ball salt shakers, the third shaker set with MSG. A lot of the ones they're selling are not the ones that were in the show. I was going to work on that today and post it today. You know, I've been off a little bit, a little moody. So I wanted to touch base. Say hello. I hope everyone's doing well. Hello. Hello. What? Just wanted to say hello. 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 Thanks for joining me this Sunday. Thanks for watching.